Hello, everybody. This is Jerome Brown again for part two of Starting an LLC. So, the first video, basically, I talked about what you need to do as far as picking out the business name. You can go back and check out that video, see what you need to do as far as picking out your business name. But in this video, part two, we're going to talk about basically setting up your email for it. Basically, what I recommend is using Google because Google, you get a free email, but Google also has some other features that will definitely be beneficial as far as things you'll need for your business. Because when you go to register that business at your Secretary of State, I know in Indiana, uh, you have to have an email address, you have to have a phone number. As far as addresses go, some people will tell you don't use your home address to use, go out and get one of these offices that you can, a virtual office, use that address because it'll help you later as far as building business credit. Me personally, I use my home address and I've had no problems building my business credit. My personal credit is good, my business credit is good, and it really helps. So, whether it's your regular home address or whether you go out and get a virtual address, I would say do your own research and see what will work best for you. But today, basically, I want to just talk about using Google. Um, there's really That's the easiest way I can find, to get you an email address. Um, and you want to set up your email address, using your business name at gmail.com. Gives you, some kind of legitimacy. When we talk further about setting up a website, you'll also, because if you looked at video number one, it told you, I expressed to you, make sure that you can get a website with your business name. And once you do that, you can also get an email address with your business name domain in it. So you can have info@businessname.com. That actually looks a little bit better as far as it's not a free email because Gmail is a free email. That's one of the reasons why I'm saying do that, because you may not have a lot of money to be able to, get this thing started. It is going to cost you a little bit of money to get this set up, especially with your Secretary of State, and as far as setting up a website. Um, the Secretary of State, you definitely need to do. So you definitely will need to have the funds for that. The website, you can do that as, you have funds available to do that. But for now, the free email from Google will work just fine. It's easy. Just go to google.com, and basically set up an account, and, just fill in the necessary information. It's fairly easy. I'm not going to do a screen share on it. It's just easy. You just go to google.com, set up an account, um, and go from there. Also, you can use Google, as I mentioned, you'll need a phone number. So you can use Google to actually get a free phone number for your business. You don't want to use your cell phone. You don't want to use your home phone as far as a phone number for your business. You definitely want to have a separate phone number. And to be able to do this at no cost, which is free, which is kind of what I'm basically telling you people how to do, is do things at low to no cost. So to use Google Voice. So once you get your account set up, you have your email, go to the app for Google Voice. Usually it's in the upper right hand corner, you'll see a series of dots. If you tap on that, it'll actually show you what apps that you can use with Google. They have Google Drive, which is basically an online storage, which is also excellent. I use that very frequently. You have the Google Voice, which will allow you to have set up a phone number, and that'll be your business phone number. They also have Google Docs, Google Spreadsheets. They have a host. I can't even list them all. I'm not here to pump up Google, but they do work for me, and it's free, so that's even better. So in this video, that's two things that you really need to do: get your email set up, get your phone number set up, and then that's going to take you into the next step, which will be the next video, where we're going to talk about actually registering your business with your Secretary of State. So if you haven't looked at video number 1, go back and look at video number 1, which will give you an idea of how to get your business name, and make sure that it's available. So when you follow down the list, you'll know you'll be able to do those things. And also it'll help you to know, like especially with your Secretary of State, where you need to go to register. All right. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye now.